What up, YouTube? What up, y'all? Welcome back. I know, I know it's been a minute since I dropped a video and stayed consistent with dropping videos, but if you haven't been checking in lately, I did drop two last week. I know they were hella late uploads, but that'll give you kind of a clue what I've been doing and where I am. So, yep, and if you're tuning in right now, watching this, I might as well tell you where I'm at. Moved from Washington State. Did a coast to coast drive. It took 5 days. Took around 5 days. So we're here, Savannah, Georgia, and currently right now I'm at work at the Yacht Club. Let me give you all a little peek outside. I plan on staying consistent this time. I've just been dealing with things, man. Just with the whole move, I wasn't really sure how I would adjust out here. Cause I had a good job in Washington. I was just starting to get my feet in the ground, and then made the decision to move out here. And for those of y'all who don't know, the pay rate is way different. Washington State definitely has a higher uh, minimum wage. Of course, that's all because out here is the cost of living is cheaper. So, but yep, we're back, man. Took me a while to find a gig, but wasn't really sure what direction I was gonna go in. Warehouse, security, and then boom, got that phone call. I was like, hey, I'll take it, man. I need it. Been with this company for about 4 months. And yep, actually got promoted recently to supervisor. Hey. So, hey man, it all worked out for the best. But let me stop talking and show y'all. I was just chilling in the dock house. Yep. Nice and quiet out here. Don't really deal with a lot on my shift. There was a big yacht that would post up right down there. It's called the Trash Man. Cause dude really is the trash man, you know. I don't know if that's how he got his yacht or I think that's what he does right now. Brings in trash from other ports or whatever. But yeah, man, maybe one day I'll have mine parked over here. A little input on Savannah, Georgia. It's a damn, you can't even see me, dog. So a little bit about Savannah, Georgia. It's a historical place. For those of you who haven't been here, I'm still getting used to the area. Haven't really been out that much because, like I said, I was looking for work. My mind was thinking about a whole bunch of stuff, man. But ain't gotta worry about that no more. We finally made it. right where I want to be, man. Got that supervisor title, and I'm just gonna stick to it. But back to Savannah, Georgia. It's a historical place. They have a lot of ghost tours in downtown Savannah. What else? They have those horse carriage rides. And then I'm not too far from South Carolina. From one part of South Carolina. I think it's just like 25 minutes away, go over the bridge, and then I think, yeah, then you're there. I forgot what part it is, but. And then speaking of ghost tours, there we go, we got the light. They say this place is haunted. Supposedly there's a lady in a white dress, but I have yet to see her. But if I do see her, I'm just gonna say what's up. Probably not even say what's up. I'll probably just keep it pushing, like, oh, nope. But yeah, man, definitely a lot of historical places, a lot of battles fought, a lot of battles won, lost. So I wouldn't be surprised if I do run into something. But yeah, man, that's just a little insight of what's happening with me. Like I said, you want to go see some of the flatlands I took videos of, some of the spots we ate at, some of the spots we stayed at. Go check out my last two videos. And I'm looking forward to drops consistently again. But until next time, I'm about to go warm back up in this building. Kind of cold out here. That's funny. Saying that, I'm from Washington. Washington State, that is. I don't give a damn though. Still gonna warm up. But alright, y'all, I'm about to go either sit in my car or go back in this building. So, until next time, y'all have a good one. Peace.